To be good in matrix multiplication, you need to know how elements in the row of first matrix are multiplied to the elements in the column of second matrix. If you don't know how to do row and column multiplication, then add their products, you cannot solve matrix multiplication problems. It is not just simple multiplication between two numbers, it has many more steps to it. Let me explain. Let us solve a problem on 2 cross 2 matrix. If A is equal to 3, 2, 1, minus 4 and B is equal to 1, 0, 3, 2, find A into B. Let us see the solution. A into B is equal to 3, 2, 1, minus 4. Into, I'll write the B matrix here, 1, 0, 3, 2. Now let us see the steps of matrix multiplication. First here we will multiply first row elements with the first column elements of the second matrix. So let us see that 3 into 1 plus 2 into 3. When you are multiplying second element of any row and second element of the column, you will put a plus sign here. Again we will multiply first row with the second column. 3 into 0 plus 2 into 2. Now we will multiply second row elements with the first column elements. 1 into 1 plus minus 4 into 3. I am keeping minus sign because we have a minus sign here. Next we will multiply second row elements with the second column elements. 1 into 0 plus, I'll keep minus sign as it is, minus 4 into 2. Now let us multiply all the elements. 3 into 1 is 3, plus sign will keep as it is. 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 0 is 0, plus sign as it is. 2 into 2 is 4. I will multiply the second row elements. 1 into 1 is 1, minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. So I will keep here sign minus. 1 into 0 is 0. If you see here again we have minus sign. So minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Equal to 3 plus 6 is 9. 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 minus 12 is minus 11. 0 minus 8 is minus 8. This is your solution. Let us see a second example. When you are given only one matrix and you are asked to find the square, the solution is, for the given matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, we have to find the A square. I will write A square as A into A equal to, I will multiply now the matrices 1 into 2, 3 into 4. So when A square is given, you have to multiply the same matrix twice. So now let us follow the matrix multiplication steps. First I will multiply first row to first column, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Now multiply first row into second column, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4. In the third step, I'll multiply second row to first column, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3. In the fourth step, I'll multiply second row to second column, 3 into 2 plus 4 into 4. So let us multiply all the elements. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 3 is 6, 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 into 4 is 8, 1 into 3 is 3 plus 4 into 3 is 12, 3 into 2 is 6 plus 4 into 4 is 16. Now let us add the elements. 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 8 is 10, 3 plus 12 is 15, 6 plus 16 is 22. This is your solution. If you watched till here, I hope you understood matrix multiplication. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment.